Have you ever wondered which planet would be obliterated first if a black hole entered our solar system? If a stellar mass black hole passed close to our solar system, the inner planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, would be at the greatest risk. These planets are much closer to the Sun, and their orbits would bring them into the black hole's gravitational influence first. However, Mercury would be the first planet to be obliterated due to its proximity to the Sun. Being the closest planet to the center of the solar system, it's the most vulnerable to any drastic change in gravitational forces. As the black hole got closer, it would begin to distort the orbits of the planets, and eventually Mercury would be pulled into the black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. Venus, Earth, and Mars would follow soon after, with their orbits being increasingly unstable. As for the outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, they would be affected later, as they're much farther from the black hole. However, if the black hole were large enough, it could potentially pull in the outer planets as well, but at a much slower rate. The immense gravitational pull would distort their orbits and eventually drag them into the black hole. However, this would happen after the inner planets had already been consumed. If the black hole were to pass closer to the Sun and enter the solar system, the tidal forces near the black hole would become extraordinarily strong as the planets moved closer to it. The black hole's gravity would stretch and compress the planets in a process known as spaghettification, a phenomenon where objects are stretched out like spaghetti as they approach a black hole. This would occur first for the planets closest to the black hole, with Mercury and then Venus being torn apart first. If you're fascinated by the power of black holes and how they affect the solar system, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying that you subscribed, and I'll personally reply to it.